wait! Before you do anything, you need to get the right primer bulb. I just got back from Home Depot after making the mistake. You can see here they sell a twin pack of Briggs and Stratton primer bulbs. Okay? But they're not twins. One's an innie and one's an outie. If you look at them. This guy has a hole right through it. This one does not. So Briggs & Stratton makes two primer bulbs that are very popular in their motors. The one without a hole is a wet primer bulb for priming gas, which is common on most engines. My engine has this one. The one with a hole in it pumps air. It's a dry primer bulb. When you put the one with a hole on a lawnmower that doesn't want the hole, gasoline will come out that hole. So we don't want to make that mistake. This is the one I bought online. You can see this was about $3 online. I didn't realize it had a hole in it. And there's a difference in the part numbers. This was online for about $3. It's a great deal compared to $10 for the 2-pack at Home Depot. But you can see here, the number is 694,395. What I needed was 694,394. Then I would not have had the hole in the middle. Inspect your lawnmower to see if the primer bulb has a hole or no hole and replace it with the correct primer bulb. If you don't know, generally when you see the primer bulb right above the gas tank, that would be one without a hole. And if it's well away from the gas tank, then it would be one with a hole. The process for replacing the primer bulb is universal on all Briggs & Stratton motors. Well, you can see the problem with my lawnmower. The primer bulb is getting stuck, and this happened over a period of months. It took longer and longer between pushes until finally it just never came back out, and that's because it's got a hole in it somewhere, so we're going to take that out. So on both sides there's a hole, and that hole you need to push in this clip. It's a little hard. Well, since this is old, I'm going to be a little more aggressive with this. And just pull that out. You can see it's all chewed up and gummy. This thing's really wants to stick in there. You can see how dirty it is. Just scooted out that hole. I think what I'm going to do is use some carb cleaner.
That's the part you want. 694,395. Now you want to put this through with the tab up, just like that. There we go.
I didn't hear it click.
Okay, I figured out why I was having a hard time putting this on. When you put the collar over the bulb, you can't just leave this lip like that. You see how it's hanging out? You have to push that in all the way around. Okay, and then it's going to slide into position. See how that looks? So I had it like this. No good. No. Let's give it a shot. We did